everyone, welcome to Dice of Design Tutorials. Today we will learn how to create watercolor texture brush in Adobe Illustrator. So let's begin with it. So all you need a new file in Adobe Illustrator, and now I will go to Google and download a watercolor brush for any stroke that I will use it as a brush. So I will go to Google and type here watercolor stroke png. Just make sure the background is transparent so it will not affect our texture brush. Select any image that you like the most. You can scroll down. You can use this multicolor stroke also. So I've already downloaded it and I will bring it to my Illustrator. Go to file and go to open, and I will go to my folder from where I want this. I like the image. So I will first of all reduce this, reduce the size and bring it to my artboard so I can use it nicely. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So this is perfect. Now I will go to object and rasterize it, and the background should be transparent, and click on OK. Now I will go to window and go to brushes. Now brushes panel will appear here, and now I will go to new brush, click on this and go to art brush, the third option. Now click on OK. Now give any name to your brush. I will give rainbow brush. The width should be fixed. Brush scale options, stretch to fit stroke length, direction is this, colorization is none, and click on OK. Now your brush has appeared here. Okay, now just delete this. Your art brush has been created. Now go to pen tool and just draw a line. So how nicely the brush has appeared here. And if you want to decrease the size, you can select this and go to these options of selected object, and just preview it, and you can move the cursor right side. See, the brush has been a bit narrowed. You can flip along. You can play with your brush, or you can also increase the size. I like the thin one. Okay, so just click on OK. And like this you can make a nice brushes. You can download any kind of texture brushes from Google and just import it in your Illustrator, and just create beautiful strokes, beautiful texture brushes out of it. So it's very simple method that you can use it. They are a variety of strokes in Google and Pinterest, or in free pick. You can download from anywhere you want. So bye bye till then, and see you in the next video.